Today we'll see how to import CSV file in database. So for doing that, first we need to know what is CSV file. So CSV file is nothing but it's a text oriented file, a plain text file which contains a list of data and separated with a comma. So it is like comma separated value. CSV stands for comma separated value. It is also a text file which contains a less size. The content will be there in that with separated with comma. Now and the CSV file cannot allow formulas in that format. So in Excel basically we'll use formulas, right? So CSV we can open CSV file with the help of Microsoft Excel, and that CSV file cannot store formulas, Excel formulas. Okay, now we'll see how to create a CSV file. So there will be a structure, of CSV file we'll use here. There will be attributes, name, email, mobile, address. Now use a comma separation, right? So if you are giving a data, you press enter key. In second line we will use here these different kinds of data, and like that more number of rows you can give. Okay, now what is our task today? How to import CSV file into the database we'll see. For doing that, first check one folder called program data, whether it is there or not in your computer. Okay, let me go with here this PC. You check this PC, you open this PC. In that C drive, you open C drive first. Okay, now C drive, check whether the program data folder is there or not in C drive. If folder is not there, you just go here one option called view. Okay, there will be option called view. View option will be there on top of that. Now click on options. There will be a folder. Options will be displayed in another box. Click on view option. Now by default all the files will be hidden, right? Now what we need to do, we need to click on show hidden files, and by default there will be check boxes which is enabled. What we need to do, we need to uncheck this. And for our fourth option it will ask you yes or no. You just click on yes. Now we just unchecked that. We clicked show hidden files. Now click on apply and click on OK. Now it displays a folder called program data. Now how this program data will come? Once if you install MySQL 8.0 version, the Microsoft MySQL software will automatically install and it will create program data folder. Okay, now open program data folder and check MySQL folder again, and check MySQL Server 8.0 folder, and check whether the upload folder is there or not. Okay, now we got here upload folder. Now then what is the another task? First task we completed, opening and checking whether it is program data folder is there or not. We have C drive, program data, MySQL Server 8.0 we did. Now what is the another task? Minimize this one, and now we'll create one CSV file. How to create CSV file we'll see. First click on start button, type notepad. Now just open the notepad now. Now just what we need to do means we'll just create a text file. Text in the sense like we'll use notepad and we'll create CSV file. For that I am using here ID. Let me go with here ID, name, email, and then mobile, and then address. Okay, I'm just adding one more field called ID there. So one Jamaica, okay, for name, and for email I am going with here jamaica@gmail.com, and then some number I am giving. Let me copy this all. Okay, let me copy this all. I copied now. I pasted here, and for the same, let me copy this also, and I pasted now. For this 2 we given. Okay, this is basically attributes. This is record 1, this is record 2, this is 1 2 3. I am applying for ID, names, email, mobile number, address, for each and every value which is separated with a comma. Now how many numbers are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. We'll remove these hyphens there. 10 digits will be there for phone number, right? We'll check here. This is like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 numbers are there. 10 numbers are there. That's fine then, right? Now what we'll do means we'll save the file. save the file, and we'll go with here this PC. You select this PC now. Now here there will be a folder called Windows C. Open Windows C now. Now there will be a folder called program data. Open that. Again open MySQL folder. There will be a folder called MySQL Server 8.0. Open that. There will be uploads folder. Open that. Now here we'll save a file. What is the file name we'll give? We'll give a new file name called students underscore data dot CSV. Now put double quotation in start and end. Now click on save button. The students data folder will be saved. That like file will be saved in that folder itself. Let me check whether it is created or not. You see, open uploads folder. The file has been created, students underscore data.csv file. Okay, with 138 bytes. Okay, now what is another task? Two tasks completed. Checking a program data task completed. Creating of a CSV file completed. Now what we can do? We'll import a CSV file data into SQL. Okay, to import data into SQL, first we need to open MySQL 8.0 command line client. Okay, once open, just login into that and first create one database. Create database. Any database name you can give, or if already existing database it is there means you can use existing database. Okay, for the time being I am using college database. Sorry, college database already there. Now let me go with the engineering underscore college. Okay, I'm using one more new database, engineering underscore college. Now I just used it here. I selected the database. Now what is the another task now? Let me go with the notes. See here, we'll use here load data in file statement to import a data. Before importing that, first create a table for the CSV file what we created earlier, right? Now what we need to do, we need to create a CSV file based on our CSV. We need to create a SQL table. Now we'll use here for create table. What is the table name we given? And a saved file students. What is that we given? Students underscore data, right? We'll here the same will give students underscore data, right? Then open the brackets. Now there will go ID integer, will give not null, and then with primary key. Okay, we'll copy all. Why? Because that is the same, right? Just only that table name has been changed, but remaining everything is common. Let me take here auto increment also. Press enter. Now go with the name, address and everything. Okay, let me go with here name and address. We pasted. Now let me close this one, semicolon, press enter. The table, empty table has been created now. Okay, now what is another task now? Once the table has been created, once the data is ready, now we'll import the data into this table. Now for that we'll have a load data in file command. Now here we'll see this one. So we use here load data in file command. So we'll copy this entire line up to this uploads folder. Okay, we did. Now here we'll give a file name called what is the file name we given? Students underscore data dot CSV file. Put single quotation and press enter. Now what is the table name we created? Into table. What is the table name we created? Students data, right? Students underscore data. Now press enter. Now we'll use the same fields terminated by, we just separated with a comma, right? So we'll use here comma separation. Then if the data is there enclosed with the double quotation, it's optional field, we can use. Okay, and then lines are terminated by new lines. Row by row we given, right? New lines we given. Now we'll ignore a first row. Why we need to ignore a first row? First row contains, basically first row contains what? first row contains attributes, so that we are ignoring that. Okay, now if you see here, students data dot csv file data is loaded into SQL created table, so it has successfully inserted. Now let me check that. So select star from students underscore data. You see, whatever we inserted a data, that has been inserted successfully.